Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off AirDrop on iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max. In order to manage AirDrop and enable it for contacts only or for everyone, we can open the settings and go to the general. Then over here you can choose AirDrop, and over here at the top we can choose receiving off so that the AirDrop is disabled. We have contacts only, so only contacts can share data with us, and of course everyone for 10 minutes. In addition to that, we can also go to the control center, and over here you have the AirDrop button as well in the top left corner, at least by default, and of course you can tap on it in order to enable it for everyone or disable it for everyone. And if you press on one of these icons at the bottom right corner of this whole panel, so over here, then you will unfold the whole list, and then here you can tap on AirDrop in order to once again choose one of these three options. If you tap on the icon, then you will turn it on or off completely for everyone. But if you tap on the name of this button, then you should be able to choose one of these three options. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.